one of our spaces. It's, you know, it's actually where everybody drives up to drop off their luggage. This is one house we have over here where we would like to build the other rooms. And the main house is back there. I envision something here. I just don't know what, but it's a gorgeous open space with these gorgeous buildings around. And I could just imagine some twinkle lights going back and forth with tables looking at this beautiful view.
So it's like an old hamlet, actually, that
Yes,
has been transformed into a relay.
absolutely.
And it's very exclusive and intimate.
It is. You can come here. We have
Look at
Italian
the
guests.
wisteria. I love that.
What?
The what? You call it wisteria or wisteria?
Wisteria, yes.
Wisteria.
Yes, we have it. It's alive with bumblebees right now. And so I'm just walking you down our main pathway, which overlooks Triaca's Vineyards again. And then we come to a crossroads. So when we turn this way, this is on the way to our cantina. This area during the summer is covered with grapes.
That could also be another option for the ceremony.
Absolutely, yes, because you
As
have,
we were telling in the at the beginning, the relay is really elastic. So actually, you're just giving us some options on how to use the different spaces, but actually, you have lots of options. So that's a really nice another surplus because you actually offer the guests different places.
yes, you are absolutely right. And as I said before, you can do 5 different weddings here and have each portion of the wedding in a different spot. So that's
Yeah.
really nice. So this is
And wherever
beautiful.
you go, you have beautiful views anyways.
Absolutely. We are like a little island in the sky, and we're, instead of the water, we have vineyards. We're surrounded in every direction by vineyards. So right here, when we turn, this is our terracotta infinity barbecue deck. So we step down and we have a beautiful deck overlooking the vineyards and Montepulciano.
Barbecue. I love barbecue.
This is where Phil makes his amazing Tuscan barbecue, bistecca. We do hot dogs and hamburgers. We do pork, sausage. I do my Tuscan beans.
So you provide that service, right, Sandy?
Yes.
Or you have to ask the catering to do that. How does it work?
The Tuscan barbecue is what we offer our guests. We ask them to pre-book it because sometimes people want a special occasion, a dinner for 2. I set this table beautifully. You could see some samples of how I set our table. And we literally, we have a bottle of wine with them, we grill dinner, we talk, and then Phil and I serve them dinner and they will sit out here till midnight. And so we can do that with the pizza night out here. We could do that with the Tuscan barbecue. And
you do that. You provide that kind of service.
Absolutely. Listen,
that's one of the reasons
10, they invite us to sit with them.
Well, that's one of the reasons why couples tend to choose getting married in Tuscany. It's for the building the relationship with the local people, you know. After a wedding, you actually go away with a new friend.
Absolutely. Well, we call our past guests our Relais Ortaglia family. And we've been so lucky this year. I mean, we have people coming back. So last summer, we had some guests that this was their 5th, 6th, 7th time at the hotel. We're so excited that this summer, hopefully, fingers crossed, we have 4 guests from last summer returning again this summer and this fall because they love it so much here.
I have to say, if we don't have travel bans anymore.
Correct. We are crossing our fingers that we'll peak
Mhm.
and we'll resume travel. Yes.
Yeah. All right. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna see the dinner.
Yes. Well, after this area, we're going to walk towards the pool. And so,
Oh yeah, the pool,
yes. So as you
the
can
hidden
see,
gem.
walking straight ahead, we have another grapevine covered area. So this is all stone. The side of the house is, I mean, every season is a different flower and a different plant, and it's just alive all the time.
You
Um,
don't really need a lot of flower decoration. You already have it. It's all natural.
I mean, it's here. We have the little calla lily. I know brides love calla lilies. It's not my favorite flower, but we have it.
Mm.
Okay, so we're walking this way. Now, straight ahead, just so you know, is our outdoor cabana bathroom. So this would be one of the bathrooms that the
Okay, which
guests
is
would go to.
important.
The other bathroom is in the front hall by the front door. So right now we have those two nice bathrooms, including, I mean, the bathrooms that will be in the rooms because presumably the guests will be staying here.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, so from this area, we can continue around the property. We have another lovely lawn area here with this 200-year-old fig tree. So another great thing about Ortaglia is you can walk around all summer and eat. We have cherry trees, we have almond trees, we have plums, prunes, pomegranates, apples, pears. I mean, literally there are some days that we're just outside working and we don't have lunch because we're eating everywhere we go.
So you're lucky to be locked down there. You don't actually have to do the groceries anymore. You have everything you need.
We do.
Vegetables, fruits.
We do. So right now I'm on this lower lawn area looking up to our infinity pool. There's two ways to
Infinity
get
pool.
infinity pool. Yes. So there's a staircase there that goes up and we have a staircase here. So we're going to take this staircase up to our deck. Right now we only have 2 pool chairs out because it's only Phil and I, but in season we have 12 pool chairs up here. And so this is the deck to the pool. This is our infinity edge. So you can sit in there.
Wow.
And
Is it heated, Sandy?
it is not heated. However, it is in such a position that the pool gets sun all day. I like swimming. So I really start swimming in May and I was still swimming in October. It was warm enough for that. Where all of our friends around close their pools in September, I was still swimming through October.
I have to say because you're also American.
Okay. Yes. That's right. So
We can also use actually that area for an aperitif, right?
absolutely. You can do, I mean, we can take all the furniture away. We can do high tops. We can do low tops. This whole area is filled with roses and genestra and blooming sage. I mean, it's alive. It is just an exquisite area. And I'm going to show you. I know you're looking into the sun, but do you see the pool?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have this gorgeous outdoor shower, which overlooks Montepulciano and San Biagio.
Wow.
So you can stand out here and take a shower.
San Biagio is actually the church of San
Yes.
Biagio.
Yep. It is our 500-year-old church. So I'm going to take you through. We have 2 beautiful grassy areas that I feel will be great for a meal, depending on if you want to be more formal on the lawn or more rustic up in
More
the
rustic.
Okay.
I love rustic.
Great. So we're going to go through the arch and we're going to go up to our 350 olive tree olive grove.
So you mean we can actually have a meal in the middle of the vineyards?
Absolutely. So
Oh, that's amazing.
yes,
I already envision it.
up here we have our olive trees over here. We have our neighbor's vines over here. And we have a long, beautiful, rustic table going down the middle.
Of course, we have to ask the catering if they are open to this idea, which is, for me, top one in the
Yes,
list. To be able to
absolutely.
have the dinner just under the stars, in the middle of the vineyards, that will be really romantic.
It would be
But I
gorgeous.
know that you said there is another option actually for the meal.
Yes. So if we go back down to our pool area, the whole side of the house has a lawn with 50 fruit and nut trees. So we're going to walk through. Tell me if I'm going too fast.
No, that's fine.
Okay. And then right next to the pool is our lawn. So from the lawn, you see Montepulciano and San Biagio. And then I'm going to come around. And this is the property that goes back to the house.
In terms of the mise en place, do you already provide like tables or chairs, or this is something to do with the catering?
This is something that we're going to need to do with catering. Of
Okay.
course, we have 16 wood chairs that we use for our breakfast area. So we could use those, you know, for the ceremony. But if we're talking about 40 or 50 people, and you know what, talking to brides, some people want modern, some people want plastic, others want these gorgeous lucite clear chairs. And so it's really, each bride can design what they want.
Of course.
Yeah, in America, the biggest thing were gorgeous tablecloths, but here it's having a beautiful wood table with a runner down the center. And so just to make sure every bride is happy, we'll have the caterer and you design each individual look.
So where are we heading now?
I think we have
Oh,
done.
the after party.
Tell
The
me about the.
dancing.
Yes, so we can build a dance floor anywhere we want on the property. We can go back to the pool area. We can go right to the side of our stone wall over here and dance over here.
Yeah, exactly. And now there is another question that I think the couple will be really curious about. The plan B. What if the weather is not nice?
Okay, so plan B. It rains for an
Well,
hour.
plan B, but it's always like a plan A too, not really
Right,
a plan B. It's
right.
always a nice plan, but of
Mm-hmm.
course it's in the indoors instead of the outdoors.
Well, hopefully it's just raining for an hour and we do a ceremony out here, or we do a
Mm-hmm.
ceremony in the breakfast room and then we come back out. Or we do a ceremony in the breakfast room and then we do a covered table out here on the back of the house. Or we can do a clear tent. But in worst case scenario, and the door is locked, and I will send you pictures, but inside these two windows, we have a big an L-shaped living room and two sitting areas. We'll take all the furniture out. It has beautiful hardwood floors, wood beam ceilings, two
Mm-hmm.
chandeliers, and we bring the party inside.
I love that. We bring the party inside.
Only till it stops
Rain or
raining, and then we
shine,
come back out.
we're gonna have a party.
Yeah. I'm showing you. We have, I don't know if you use pink astilbe in bridal bouquets, but we have this
Yeah.
tree that's pink astilbe that is just to die for. So when we have guests, I do floral arrangements in everybody's bathroom, in everybody's bedroom. We are very happy to say we have been approved by Aveda. So all of our products are organic rosemary mint.
Hmm.
And what else? It was a long application to be approved by Aveda. You have to prove that you're eco-friendly and you recycle. Our heating system here is powered by olive pits. So we are
Oh,
a very eco-friendly, sustainable establishment.
great to know that. That's important.
Yes. So what else can we tell your guests?
So last thing I wanted to know is extra activities that you can offer to our guest.
Yes. Well, I can keep your guests busy for 2 weeks.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, we have plenty of things to do here. Besides the cooking class and the food, the barbecue, our next door neighbor has gorgeous, and I mean beautiful stallions, and people are always so impressed. So you can go horseback riding in the
Hmm?
vineyards all the way around to San Biagio. We have our friend, our sommelier in town, Francesco, can come here and do wine classes, wine tastings. We can go to various vineyards around. One of our favorites is Avignonesi, and they have a
I
beautiful
know that.
tour and lunch. Yes. Also, a very big thing we're doing this year is we have um, ballooning in Tuscany taking off from our
Wow.
property. Yes.
No, don't tell me that.
Yes. So it's really nice because I worked for the whole last season, our attorneys and their attorneys, to move the launch site from Montesi to here. So it's on in one of our fields up front, 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. You
In the
roll
morning,
out of bed.
of course. They don't really have to go that far because you actually leave from there.
You leave from our property. Yes.
Wow.
So you go up in the balloon for an hour, you land in a field, they serve you a beautiful Prosecco brunch, and then they drive you back.
Oh, I can't wait to do that. That's
Yes,
another nice experience.
it is. We love it. My husband is on his 4th or 5th trip. Every time they go and they have an extra spot, he hops in.
All right, so I think we are done. As of now, we've done with the tour. Last thing is that I wanted to ask you if, or I know that actually you are happy to offer some bonus freebies for those who like to book you, right?
Absolutely. So if anybody mentions seeing us on our live presentation, we will be happy to offer them a beautiful bottle of Prosecco in their room when they get here.
So you have to book Sandy, and how are they gonna be able to contact you?
They can book us direct through Facebook, through Instagram, TripAdvisor, or go to our website, www.relaisortaglia.com. They can send me an email and I can book everything for them.
Great. So thanks to everyone who joined us during this live show.
Yes.
And thank you, Sandy, for showing us around. It was really nice to see your beautiful property even from my home. And
Thank
I
you. It's
can't
my
wait to
pleasure.
see it personally, really.
March 4th. No, not March.
No,
May
me!
4th. We've been in lockdown for so long. May 4th.
Yeah,
Whenever you want,
exactly.
you'll come out for lunch.
All right.
Thank you
So
so much.
thank you so much to you.
Have a
Big
wonderful
hugs.
evening.
A big virtual hug, Sandy.
Same to you. And kisses and hugs. And when we see each other, we'll be able to do that with our masks
Yeah,
on.
of course.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
to all of your clients. Ciao.
Ciao.